If you want to practice real conversations in English, not just single sentences, you are in the right place today. In this video, we're going to do a special shadowing practice with dialogues. That means you will practice both sides of real conversations, what you say and what the other person says. You will shadow full mini conversations in everyday situations like ordering at a cafe, meeting someone new, talking at work, making plans with a friend, speaking on the phone, and asking for help to solve a problem. This kind of practice is extremely powerful because you don't just practice random sentences, you practice real exchanges. You learn common questions and answers together, so your brain starts to recognize patterns. You train your listening and speaking at the same time, and you know what people might say back to you in real life. After shadowing these conversations many times, you will react faster in English. You will feel more comfortable talking to people, and you will know what to say in common situations. Here is how to practice with this video. I will speak at normal, natural speed. You will hear short dialogues between you and the other person. I will say each sentence 2 times. During the pauses, repeat every sentence out loud with me. You will shadow the you sentences, what you could say in real life, and the other person's sentences, what you will hear in real conversations. Try to copy my pronunciation and intonation. Feel the rhythm of each mini dialogue, and imagine yourself in each situation. At the cafe, at work, with a friend, on the phone. Don't worry about being perfect. This video is your English conversation gym. Every repetition is like a push-up for your fluency. Let's begin our 2 sides shadowing conversation practice together with English fluency teacher. Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning. Good morning. What can I get for you? Good morning. What can I get for you? I'd like a medium latte, please. I'd like a medium latte, please. Sure. Would you like it hot or iced? Sure. Would you like it hot or iced? Hot, please. Hot, please. Great. Anything else for you today? Great. Anything else for you today? Yes. Can I also have a chocolate croissant? Yes. Can I also have a chocolate croissant? Of course. Would you like it warmed up? Of course. Would you like it warmed up? Yes, please. That would be nice. Yes, please. That would be nice. Is that for here or to go? Is that for here or to go? For here, please. For here, please. All right, your total is $5.90. All right, your total is £5.90. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Yes, just tap your card right here. Yes, just tap your card right here. Here you go, thank you. Here you go, thank you. You're welcome. We'll have that ready in a minute. You're welcome. We'll have that ready in a minute. No rush. I'm not in a hurry. No rush. I'm not in a hurry. Perfect. You can take a seat and I'll call your name. Perfect. You can take a seat and I'll call your name. My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. That's nice to hear. Thank you. That's nice to hear. Thank you. So, where are you from originally? So, where are you from originally? I'm from Brazil, but I live here now. I'm from Brazil, but I live here now. That's interesting. How long have you been here? That's interesting. How long have you been here? I've been here for about 2 years. I've been here for about 2 years. Nice. Do you like living here so far? Nice. Do you like living here so far? Yes, I do, but I still miss my family. Yes, I do, but I still miss my family. I understand. That must be hard sometimes. I understand. That must be hard sometimes. It is, but I'm grateful for this opportunity. It is, but I'm grateful for this opportunity. And your English sounds really good, by the way. And your English sounds really good, by the way. Thank you. I've been practicing a lot. Thank you. I've been practicing a lot. That's great. Practice really makes a difference. That's great. Practice really makes a difference. I'm trying to use English as much as possible. I'm trying to use English as much as possible. You're doing really well. Keep it up. You're doing really well. Keep it up. Great. It'll be nice to relax together. Great. It'll be nice to relax together. Definitely. We all need a break sometimes. Definitely. We all need a break sometimes. All right. I'll see you in the meeting later. All right. I'll see you in the meeting later. Amazing job today. You didn't just repeat random sentences, you practiced real conversations, both your lines and the other person's lines. In this video, you shadowed dialogues at a cafe, conversations when meeting someone new, small talk at work, making plans with a friend, speaking on the phone, and asking for help to solve a problem. This kind of two sides shadowing helps you understand what people usually say back to you, respond more quickly and naturally, and feel more confident in real-life situations. Every time you repeat a full conversation like this, your brain learns the pattern: a question, an answer, a reaction, a reply. Your listening gets better, your speaking becomes smoother, and your English starts to feel more automatic. Remember, you can use this video as a daily speaking workout. The more you repeat these dialogues, the more natural they will become in your real life. If you finish this practice, write in the comments, "I practiced both sides of the conversation." I would love to see your comment and celebrate your progress with you. If this video helps you, please like the video, subscribe to English Fluency Teacher, and share this shadowing practice with a friend who wants to improve their English speaking. Thank you so much for spending your time practicing with me today. Keep going, keep growing, and keep speaking. You are closer to confident English conversations than you think. This is English Fluency Teacher, and I'll see you in the next shadowing video.